Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merkert. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator coming to you live from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, USA. I offer virtual online paper crafting experiences, and these are the two samples that I will be sharing during the one-of-a-kind craft along on September 20th, 2025. They feature the Sweet Jar stamp set and coordinating punch. So you will have to create your own design using your own inks and your own stamp sets. But the kits that I provide have got crumb cake for the base, a punched jar for each kit. Now it doesn't have the stamping in it because we're not allowed to include stamping in your kit. It has the hot cocoa right here, hot cocoa die cut for you, a strip of ribbon and a strip of adhesives. And then the garden green kit features 2 punched hearts, a strip of ribbon, a strip of adhesives, and some of this brand spanking new pattern paper. You again need to provide your inks and your inks and adhesives. I use the Jar of Joy stamp set and the Sweet Jar stamp set, in addition to the gorgeous grape crumb cake and Night of Navy ink pad, Early Espresso, and Garden Green ink pad. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com and click on Kits in the Mail or the one-of-a-kind icon for all the details and ordering. Your purchase includes an emailed PDF with lots of fun, innovative paper crafting, card making ideas, and also a YouTube assembly link. So if you can't watch live in the Facebook group, you can watch the YouTube. All right, go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits in the Mail, and place your order. Bye.